Craig and I live in Merthyr with my wife Laura. We thought about fostering for a while before we finally decided to pick up the phone and start the process. We're lucky enough to have 2 sons of our own. When our youngest was about halfway through comp, we sometimes felt a bit lost as the boys were growing more independent every day. We knew we still had plenty of life in us and more time on our hands. I heard an advert about fostering, so I contacted our local authority fostering team in Merthyr, and that was that. We've been fostering for over 10 years now, and we've seen it all and met some of the most wonderful children. One thing that stood out to us about our local authority team is that everything they do is in the best interest of the child. They're not doing any of it to make a profit. They've been a great support, as has going to our local foster carer support group. We all talk about what we're going through with our children and share what's worked best for us. We learn from each other. When you're a foster carer, you can have good days and bad days, so it's nice that there's a support group we can turn to. We never feel alone. Every child who's come to us has had a different story. We have a sibling group of 4 with us now, and to know that we are helping to keep them together, supporting them to grow up, brothers and sisters in the same family all together, is the most rewarding thing we've been able to do as foster carers. I think about my own boys growing up and remember how important they were to each other. It's so easy to take that for granted. Keeping siblings together is the most rewarding thing. You have to be resilient, no doubt about that, but helping these children who have found themselves in difficult situations through no fault of their own is what keeps us going. We want them to have the best future ahead of them and to know that we are always here for them.